So a lot of people have been asking about new authorization system with app scripts, since it has changed since my last videos that I've recorded. I just wanted to quickly cover that. It's not really that different. So I'll just go ahead and do this. So I'm going to go Tools, Script Editor, get the editor running, right? And I'll go ahead and spreadsheet app dot get I've misspelled something, didn't I? Spreadsheet, there it is. App dot get active sheet, get active cell, set value to 1. So something very basic, just so that we have something that will run. I'll go ahead and save this. We'll give this a project name. I'll call this new off 2017. Hit OK. And now I'm going to go ahead and run this. So when you go ahead and run this, you're going to get this screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click Review Permissions. You get this screen. This is the account I'm going to use. Click on that. So get to the screen. This is a tiny bit confusing. It says this app isn't verified. So if you look all the way down, there's this button says advanced. Click on it. Right. So there it is. And all the way down there is this go to new unsafe button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. There it is. That's our screen where we actually give permission. Hit allow. And you're all set. So now it should set that active cell to 1. And there it is. So it works. So that's it. So just to be honest with you, these things are going to change over time. So you want to be flexible with these things and try to really look around and find where things are, and basically just find out a way to get through the process, right? That's it for now. That's how you get through this process of authorization now. Just go ahead and do that and you'll be fine. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.